Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming today, and I hope you will enjoy the little tutorial, little video that I've got made up for you, showing how I paint a marble. Marbles, they were great fun back in the day. Some of you who might be in my age group may remember marbles, and you younger ones possibly don't. That is my cat, Archie. He's a Russian blue and he's so cute. I love him so much. Anyway, back to the story. What was I saying? Back in the day with marbles, yeah. It's got me wondering how many people collected marbles, or maybe not marbles. What do you collect? I'm sure, like me, most of you have collected something in your lifetime. I used to collect little images or ornaments of goats. I used to breed Angora goats, and so I started collecting them. Eventually, I had to give up because I had too many of them and it was getting out of hand. Anyway, without more chatting, perhaps we should get on with the show. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Bye for now.
We start with this image of agate. I downloaded this image from Pixabay. With the selection tool, I drew a circle, airbrushing white, where the light exits. I am adding reflections with the ink and airbrush. Using the eraser, I make a window reflection on the marble. I use the selection tool for the shadow on the layer below. Tip: to move a selection, click on mode, then drag the selection while holding down Ctrl. I spray grey and white with the airbrush. I added some more reflection on the shadow and evened out the shadow with the palette knife.
Well, thank you for making it this far. Don't forget, leave a message in the comments, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and like. Bye for now.